was your stay last night? I'll take you to the Banjus headquarters now, then.
The Banjus Tech headquarters? Do they allow non-employees to enter the building?
Of course. The residential area is rather lively. Many family members of the employees live there. The manufacturing area is a little more mysterious, though. I wonder if we'll get to see it. Wait, something isn't right.
What happened here?
I don't know, but looks like some sort of trouble. The defenses are rarely on in Banjus. Don't tell me the Ravagers or Aberrants are coming. But Mr. Kolador would have told us to take shelter. Yeah.
Looks like a battle took place. Who are the invaders?
Heirs of Ida. I've seen them outside of town before. They're capturing people.
I'll deal with them. Go high.
Thank you for saving me. Those things attacked us during a celebration last night. We've been trapped in here since then.
Where's security? Is anyone else taken?
No idea. The attack caught us all in surprise. I didn't even get a good look at what happened.
Go and tell others on the docks. I'll look for survivors.
Watch your back. There must be more of them.
Are you here to rescue us? Oh, thank heavens.
Who are you? And where's Mr. Kolador?
I work here, but I don't know where Mr. Koladar is.
Where's security? Why didn't they alert the docks?
The heirs of Ida launched the raid at night and caught us by surprise. They also got a lot of plants on the security team.
What about the headquarters? Is it taken over completely?
I didn't hear any more fighting after the celebration ended last night, so I'm afraid.
What's that sound?
Oh no, you must have drawn the attention of their main force.
Don't worry, I'll handle this.
There's just one of them. Great for practice. Swift, go ahead.
Don't go. You have to protect us.
They don't look too strong, so I should take the initiative.
Swift lost? No way! Kalina, your turn!
You're really something. Let's go in! We're not good enough.
Blast it!
Are you alright? Did you find Theo?
Theo and Kolador are very likely trapped in the Banjus tech headquarters. I'm about to go in and look around.
Let me go with you. Alright, but be...
This table is getting old. Look, the paint is chipped here and there.
You, and you. Keep an eye on the basement.
Ah! Stop!
Don't move!
Who are you? How come I've never seen you before? Guess you didn't have much luck either. I'm Ko, Mr. Kolador's assistant.
Do you know where he and Theo are being held?
I don't. After the heirs of Ida took over the place, they split us up to different places. I'm not sure which room they're in.
This is not good.
Don't worry about that. We should be figuring out how to get out of here.
Do you have any ideas?
I know the circuits for this room and I can open that door over there. But the guards outside, however...
Leave that to me. You just open the door.
Will do. See that disconnected cable? Connect them for me so I can use the control panel. Finish him off already. Don't tell me you're just gonna charge the way out. There are still plenty of guards out there.
You have better plans?
Why don't you switch clothes with this guy and pretend you're one of them? So you can figure out the exact situation.
That will work. What about you?
I'll stay behind so they're not alerted.
I don't think they can see through my disguise. Are they?
I've told you already. You can't get anything out of me.
Your security for Banjus?
What now? Heirs of Ida send a fool for interrogation?
The surveillance has been disabled. You can proceed to the next floor. There are sounds coming from the last room. I should take a look. Oh no. Did the dogs catch my scent? Leon says there are tranquilizers in the room on the left side of the second floor.
Why are you here? It's not chow time yet.
The chief's dogs are hungry and I'm here to get something to feed them.
Weren't they just fed? Fine. There's some leftover meat from yesterday. It's not fresh, but man, all you gotta go feed the dogs before...
We caught the intruder, my lord. We did not find anyone else.
Good. How about Kolador's interrogation? Any news?
Kolador already told us where the Astrum is located, and asked us to free Theo.
Pass that information to those that are outside immediately, and ask them to find Astrum. As for Theo, we can't let him go until we have what we want.
Yes, sir, I will. Who goes there? Guards! Here!
Found you at last.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to rescue you.
If you can get my father...
Are you okay, Mr. Collador?
You? I already handed the Astrum over to the heirs of Ida. I had no choice since they held hostages.
We'll worry about that later. Let's get you out.
No, I need to find my son. You have to go back and get help from the port.
I heard you're getting into trouble again, kid.
How did you get here, Franz?
I asked Mr. Franz for help. Do you know each other?
I'll stay behind to help the...
What's this? I think Franz might know. Franz, I found these.
This is getting complicated.
What's wrong?
That's it then.
Huh?